Hey guys, if you have no idea what Keycloakify is, or if you find this tutorial very overwhelming, you can check the links in the description and the videos showing right here. Without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to follow this Medium blog. We go through this thing together line by line. The first thing that it is that we have to clone the project. Next, let's go to the project. Let's install the dependencies. The next thing that it is that we have to pre-start the Keycloakify. So in order to Keycloakify works very well, we have to do some initializations. This step is very important. Otherwise, the thing doesn't work very well. Next, let's start the storybook. So here the storybook is started. If you go to the login page, you can see the login. So all the components in this login page has been separated. So you can go, for example, to the button and see how the button it is, and so on and so forth. So when you want to stylize the thing, you don't need to go and do it every place. You just go to the components and after that style them. So now is a customization part. We are going to use the ShadCN themes. Use this link, go to customize, select the color that you want. I'm gonna use the green. Copy the code. After copying the code, come to here, go to the source, under styles, go to the global CSS, and just replace this base layer with that. Storybooks is updating. If you go to the page, all the components get updated. If you go to the login page, the components get updated as well. The next thing that we're gonna try is to just customize a single component. Let me show you how to do that. So before customizing the component, let's look at it, how it looks like now. As you can see, this component, it is not fully rounded, so I want to make it fully rounded. You have to go under source, components, UI, and under the button, you just make the rounded from MD to full. So simple. Now everything getting updated. You go to the storybook, the component is get updated, and then when you go to the login page, all the components is rounded now. So easy. The next thing that is going to do is that for the production run, this is not enough. So what we want to do is that for the production run, we want to test the thing with the real Docker and so on and so forth, and we want to see that the thing is working or not. Okay. So for the production run, we have to run the npx Keycloakify start Keycloak. This one may take a while now. At the moment, I'm not support version 26. So this took a while. But as you can see, we already get the server running. Okay, so you have to go to this link. So the password is test user and password 123. So as you can see, we can properly log in. Okay, so everything is perfect. So the last part of this tutorial is to build the thing for deployment. Again, for that, just run the build Keycloak thing. So as you can see, the build is done successfully. You can find the build file in here. Okay. So if you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do not forget to give a star to us in GitHub. Okay. Great job to Keycloakify by Joseph. And please give them a star as well. Thank you and have a good day.